Many years ago, a man once told me it was unwise to build a PC inside of a drawer. Well, I'm here today to tell you. That's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna build a PC right on this beautiful piece of wood. Directly onto this. Just like place motherboard here, power supply there, like a drive tray right there. That sounds simple, right? It's gonna be a $300 build, and it's gonna run beautiful. 1080p games on a TV that's 10 years old. It's gonna look great. For this build, we're gonna need a couple of tools and materials to make it happen. We're gonna need one Sharpie and/or pencil. A screwdriver. I prefer using the screwdriver from the iFixit kit because it's got an assortment of bits that you can use. Velcro. Hey. Scissors. Motherboard standoffs, and a drill. Where'd this come from?
You know where it came from.
I didn't buy this.
You didn't have to buy it. It came to you.
What is this?
You know what it's for. The gas station. They have so much money. It could all be yours.
For this build, I got a Gigabyte GA970A UD3 AM3 Plus motherboard. The processor is an FX8150 8-core processor, paired with 8 gigabytes of HyperX DDR3 RAM, an AMD stock CPU cooler, 128 gigabyte SSD. I also used a Zotac GTX 1050 Ti for the video graphics card. I used an old power supply that I had laying around, but any power supply over 300 watts would work for all these components. I prepared the motherboard, installed the CPU and the CPU cooler and the RAM. Lay out all the parts on the piece of wood and mark where I'm going to place them. And then I marked where I was going to drill the motherboard standoffs. Then I drilled all the holes. Installed the standoffs and the motherboard. Next, the drive tray. Then cut the Velcro to length for the power supply to be fastened down. Then place the Velcro on the shelf or drawer, shelf drawer, and then fasten the power supply to the Velcro and fastened the power supply down to the shelf. Hooked everything together, then plugged in the GPU. Now I don't have a power switch at this time, so I turn it on with the screwdriver. Don't make fun of my wire management, please. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button, and always, have a great day. Oh, I gotta keep that guy away from me.